Yo guys, so out today shooting with the Fimo app. The Fimo app basically simulates old famous films. Today we're out shooting with the 400 Business, which was basically the Fuji Business film simulation, which was very famous here in Japan. A lot of the newspaper companies would use this film because of the capture of the colors are really good represented, especially in the daytime. So enough of the jibber jabber, let's look at some of the shots. This video is brought to you by Artlist. Artlist can provide you with music licensings for videos, film, YouTube videos, whatever you got, they got you covered. They got plans as low as $9.99 a month. So if you're in the market for some copyright-free music, take a look at Artlist.